Hello students, today I am going to discuss the chapter of class 6 of computer science, which is computer basics. So I hope you have some basic knowledge regarding computer. In lower classes you have studied QBasic, MS Word, MS Paint, MS Excel. So you have used a computer prior to your class, and you know how to use it and what are the input, output and processing devices. So from childhood you are studying that input device, what are input device, what are processing device and what are output device. So input device are the device, as you know, which are used to give input to the computer, like keyboard, mouse. Processing device is the CPU, which is the central processing unit, and it is combination of arithmetical logical unit, control unit and memory unit. Arithmetical logical unit perform all the arithmetical operation. Arithmetic means plus, minus, modulo, division. And control unit means it controls and coordinates the operations of computer. And memory unit means the storage space which our computer have. So here you can see we have the definition of input device. So the device which are used to give input to the instruction to the computer are called input device. As you know, what is keyboard? Here you can see this is a keyboard. Keyboard is the most common input device. It has 104 keys. Here you know that these are the alphabet keys, and these are F1, F2, F3 are the function key. This is the space bar, this is the enter key here between delete key, and these are the numeric keys. We have a quick tip here, and the type of keyboard is QWERTY. There are different type of keyboards. QWERTY, AZERTY. You know that in keyboard you can see the letters start from Q and the letters start from Q here. That's why it is called QWERTY keyboard. There are different types of keyboard, QWERTY, AZERTY. So window app. Here we have a quick tip. Window app has an app of virtual keyboard, that is on-screen keyboard that allow to enter into the computer without using a physical keyboard. Now what is a mouse? You know that if using computer, then you know what is a mouse is. A mouse is an input device. It is a pointing device because it has a pointer and it has three keys: left scroll, left key, right key, and in a center there is a ball which is called scroll bar. As we roll the ball, we can go upside and downside in the screen. So you can see it is a pointing device because it is generally used for pointing, selecting and dragging the object on the screen. It fits in a palm and has 2 or 3 buttons. Here we have the types of mouse. Here you can see mechanical mouse, optical mouse and codeless mouse. Mechanical mouse, as you can see the structure, the format of these mouses are different. Mechanical mouse has rubber ball at the bottom surface. When it rotates on the flat surface, it moves the cursor on the screen. Optical mouse uses the red light. You have seen some mouse is blinking light, so that is called optical mouse. Instead of rotating ball to detect the movement of mouse, means instead of rotating ball like in mechanical mouse, optical mouse is having a light. Codeless mouse, code means wire. So codeless mouse, this one, or wireless mouse, transmit the instruction via infrared radiation. There are some radiations through which some of the mechanical devices are operating upon. Here we have a quick tip. Mouse was invented by Douglas Egenbert in 1961. In many competitive examination you can get this question that who discovered mouse and in which year. So this is the answer, Douglas Egenbert in 1961. We have this new device. You have seen this device. This is trackball. What is a trackball? A trackball is an input device. It uses a ball which is fitted on the top. This ball, green one, is rolled by the finger to move the cursor around the screen. Like you are using mouse, you are moving the ball. Just like that you have to move the ball. It is mostly used in notebooks or laptop. We have seen a micro laptop that is called a notebook. Now we have again a quick tip here. The trackball was invented by Tom Cranson, Fred Longstaff and Kenyon Taylor while working on the Royal Canadian Navy's Datar project in 1952. Sometimes you can get question, who has invented trackball and in which year? So 1952. What is a joystick? Joystick, you can see this is a joystick. Joystick means you can get the name joystick. It is used to play game. It is an input device. It has a stick, this stick, which is mounted on spherical base. The base placed at the lower ends, which move in the socket with the help of a stick. The joystick can be moved in all the four directions. Its working is almost similar to mouse, as it is used for moving the cursor on the screen. So we have some more devices. And where joystick is used? In computer aided designing, CAD. CAD is used by civil engineers to design the application. They use, you know what civil engineers used to do? They used to design the bridges, the roads. Now what is touchpad? We are using touch screen mobile nowadays, and laptops we are using. While touching on the screen, we are getting the instruction and operation to be done over there on the screen. So a touchpad consists of a sensor. It is used in laptop and notebook as a replacement of mouse. You can see when we are using laptop, then without mouse also we can go to the left and right and from top to bottom direction through the help of touchpad. What is touch screen? You know that you are touching the screen and you are getting the instruction done. You are using the ATM. Touch screen is commonly used in kiosks and bank ATMs. In bank ATMs you are inserting the card, and then over the screen you are getting the instruction that which one you have to perform, whether you have to take the money or whether you have to transfer the money to some another person. So that is, you are familiar with touch screen like that. What is a light pen? Light pen is used to touch over there in the touch screen. Light pen is a handheld pointing device. It allows the user to point or display object or draw on the screen in similar way to touch screen but with greater accuracy. Do you know what is CAD? I told you earlier. It is used by architect, engineers and software engineers. Now we are using tablet, graphical tablet we are using. So this one is a tablet. It is an input device. It is also known as graphical digitizer, and of a flat surface on which the user draw an image using a stylus. This pen is called stylus. This is web camera. You know web camera is an input device. It captures photos and videos. Nowadays in every offices or every mall there are cameras being installed, and in your laptop also you have a web camera which you are calling webcam. What is microphone? You have seen over there in the assembly, principal used to deliver us some messages, so they can use the open handheld mic or this microphone. It is an input device enabled to input voice in computer. It help you to record your voice in computer. Scanner. Scanner is used to get the paper input over there in the computer. Scanner is the input device. It is used when some information is available on paper and it is to be transferred to the hard disk of the computer for further work. Scanner uses a light beam to scan the input and work like a photocopy. Machine accepts that it create a file of the document in a computer memory instead of a paper copy. Means you know that how you are using scanner. You are putting the paper here, you are covering the plate, and then you are pressing the scanner key, and then your document will be copied to your clipboard or there in your computer system. So I hope you are familiar about these devices. In the next video I will discuss about some more devices. Thank you.